Good enough, man. I ain't about to put it on there too, but yeah, that's good. Leave it on that long enough, I can weld on that. I ain't gotta put no super strong tax on it. It'll be the weld, man. Another day out here. You heard me? Yeah, about to get busy. Yeah, this shit's so shaky. Oh, hold up. About to start fucking up. Still got my amps up high as shit for this 332nd ride. I'll start around that about. Start off at a good 87 amp for my 332nd. Show y'all what's up. Show y'all my machine settings, you know what I'm saying? Got that good 87 amp. Got my hot start on, you know what I'm saying? Well, something on. I don't use no arc controls, you know what I'm saying? I don't, that'll be the wild man, I don't use that shit. You can use it, you can experiment with it. But yeah, ain't the best weld. You don't look too bad though. Yeah, I ain't even about to start up like that. Know that shit ain't comfortable. It's my hardest part. We're learning how to weld vertical, bro. The hardest part for me, trying to get comfortable.
If it was wet, but I don't mind much. If I don't make it big, I'm sealing cracks until my time's up. I'm turning down the heat because the fitter made a white one. Running up a beat, I got something you should see. I watch that get, it's like magic. I got something up my sleeve. Strictly action, main attraction. I'm the one they came to see. Put the wire in the crease, hit the fire, let her eat. Metal dancing on the bevel now, jamming heavy metal now. Pushing ain't the lesser, how you want it. I got levels now. Shooting down my beat, I can't believe you see you better not. I see they acting jealous now. Pocket full of cheddar now. Beating up, make a puddle you can stand in. Beat into my hands jam. I'm the wedding band man. I'm beating up. Knew that I would be the damn man. Finally got the chance, man. They don't stand a chance. I be beating up, wedding band. I be beating up with either hand. I be beating up. Don't understand. I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be beating up, wedding band. I be beating up with either hand. I be beating up. Don't understand. I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be beating up.
Started getting uncomfortable. I'd rather stop and break out the art and make a fucked up well.
At this point, man, this shit just gets too easy. You know what I'm saying? That will talk.
Come on, man.
That totem fire, that weave it wide, that wish it well talk. That leave them blind up in the bind, that give them hell talk. Bitches, I tried to tell y'all, Rizzo, they want that well talk. That 300 and that's a better up the scale talk. That totem fire, that weave it wide, that wish it well talk. That leave them blind up in the bind, that give them hell talk. Bitches, I tried to tell y'all, Rizzo, they want that well talk. Living off the interstate, I'm innovative. With these pretty words, I paint a picture, need no illustration.
What I say in the YouTube video, top 5 tools. Come on, man. Come on, man.
What gave you the inclination? You just want some knowledge on me. I just want some bigger faces. Might just lead a lot with different places. How I feel today. I might just tie out right up at the top. This drop can see my fate. I'm nasty. Shots from out the dark reveal your face. Little bitch come past me. Striking up a heart right in your face. You know I'm flashing. Rizzo, you the goat. No, you the great bitch. I ain't average. Maybe I got that magic. Rizzo, they want that will talk. That 300 and that's a better up the scale talk. That totem fire, that weave it wide, that wish it well talk. That leave them blind up in the bind, that give them hell talk. Bitches, I tried to tell y'all, Rizzo, they want that well talk. That 300 and that's a better up the scale talk. That totem fire, that weave it wide, that wish it well talk. That leave them blind up in the bind, that give them hell talk. Bitches, I tried to tell y'all, Rizzo, they want that well talk. Been told no before, but once I did our best, I took success and overdose. With which I well talk, withdraw some cash and go.
I got a brand new one. I just never used it. Come on, man. Talk to me. Come on, man. Get in there, man.
I told my fail chick, come get her rich, go throw some balls. Don't want go bill for bill, these figures real, you know the score. I can hit the bank in any time and pull out 10 racks up. So and so, he say he like my style to get my shit back up. I just got my paper, got no time to do no chit chat. Yo, they talk about me crazy, I've been dying to get some get back on that will talk. That 300, that's a better up the scale talk. That totem fire, that weave it wide, that wish it well talk. That leave them blind up in the bind, that give them hell talk. Bitches, I tried to tell y'all, Rizzo, they want that well talk. That 300, that's a better up the scale talk. That totem fire, that weave it wide, that wish it well talk. That leave them blind up in the bind, that give them hell talk. Bitches, I tried to tell y'all, Rizzo, they want that well talk.
See this shit I'm laying down when I'm comfortable, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. I know it ain't the best, but shit, them bitches tied in, overlapping, though. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Get that bag, get through.
Legendary. I just want to be great. I'm gonna say this once, so it's important that you listen. Cross my barricade without permission, I'ma get you. Well, the 9 chrome, and since it's on, let's be specific. When you see the 4 wrapped around this bitch, it ain't no biscuit. Fuck you mean? I work a trip and want this rigging. Bitch, go hug a bean. Cause I've been welding inches in the trenches, yet my tools are clean. Helper at the tool room, he holler what
Always
the fuck
clean
you
your
need.
clothes
I
out,
holler
man.
what the fuck
Clean
you
your
need.
well
I'm
good.
gon'
Make
need
sure
a
ain't no
couple
flaws
things.
left up
I've
in
been
that
out
stuff,
you
man.
welding, putting this shit
Face
together.
sweating,
Couple
hands
things.
sweating,
I'm
product
out
in
this
this
world,
man.
some people tell me
Come
I've been
on.
up a bean. If welding
Come
had a
on,
Super
man.
Bowl, I have a
Showing
couple
y'all
rings.
progress,
I done
man.
had it
Showing
in the
y'all
road.
progress,
I
man.
learned a
I can't
couple
see
things. I
LB
sit
well made
around
up
and they
off y'all.
talk
Look,
about
they never
me.
gave y'all
Welcome
game
to
for
the
free, man.
backlash. I smell good and I well good. I know they tired of my black
Down
ass.
every
Hard
couple
hat
passes,
in the backpack.
get in
Buy
the
5
habit
grand on my
of
cash
going to
app. My
clean down your
partner
metal,
wanna know
man.
where I'm headed. I point exactly where the cash at. That local pay, you can have that. I tell Rose like Mad Max. I whip it up until I'm
Ooh,
flagged
I
that.
just
Nigga
landed on
shoot
my
bad,
book
that's a
back.
bad batch.
Stop setting
I
myself
be
on
welding my
fire.
hashtag. I told him fuck him, tell my foreman I got the last laugh.
Ah,
Motherfuckers.
I'm gonna take
40
y'all with
days
me,
and
man.
40 nights.
Take y'all with
I
me, you
feel
hear
like
me?
hell
Hold up.
inside. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who the hell am I? Welling up, I chose this
Take
life.
one of these
It ain't
gloves
no
off.
turning around. Headed
Big ass
home,
gloves.
gone too
Yes,
long.
sir.
My kids
With
don't
my boots right
recognize.
here,
40 days and 40
yes,
nights.
sir.
I feel like
Y'all
hell
could
inside. Mirror, mirror on the wall.
go through this
Who the
live, you
hell
heard me?
am I? Welling up, I chose chose
Yes,
his
sir.
life.
Y'all
It
see it,
ain't no
man.
turning around. I
Y'all
had
sure.
it
Got
home,
King
gone too
distracted.
long. My kids
Y'all
don't
sure, man.
recognize me. My kids don't recognize me. My kids don't recognize me. My kids don't recognize me. My kids don't
Down with it, bro.
recognize me.
What's going on, man?
Ain't shit, man. Cool. Yeah, doing some vertical stick today.
Just cleaning this bit down as much as I could.
Yeah, you good, brother? Yes, sir. I see it, man. We out here. We out here. Never quench your test. Never, ever, ever, ever. Don't quench. Don't ever quench a bin test or anything that's actually critical. Let that shit cool down naturally. I got a whole ankle shit to cool here down. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, Joe. Gotta show y'all, give y'all a little tour around and shit, man. Get y'all a little tour of school. What time it is? About 5:48. So I got a class at 6 o'clock, so I'm about to run one more bead. Yeah, I'm about to run one more bead for y'all. Good peoples. Then I'm about to, yeah, get ready to go to my 6 o'clock class. At least so I can get my. That's been my last beat. I've been rushing a little bit trying to get to this class for 6 o'clock. But yeah, man. Y'all see it, though, man. Y'all see it. But yeah, we about to clean up, though. We about to go put these rods back and take y'all along with me. Clean up, get all my keys and shit. Knock that shit off. Knock that off. Hold up. Set my phone down. Shit. So y'all the process. Scrap bucket. Yup. Is that what it, bro? I don't want shit like I used to be. I ain't need it. Oh, shit. Tripping, fellas. That's it right there on the scrap bucket. All my keys right here, all my gloves right here. So y'all clean up process. This shit come with welding too. Yes, sir. Just wrapping up all your wires, man. Just wrap up all your wires, man. Good? Okay, man. Just go get a bump. Yes, sir. And bigger pieces of rod that we got. Over here. Put them in the two bucket. Man. Y'all should. Y'all should. Clean boot. Don't go. Yes, me too. Yes, sir. It is today. Three, three scrap metals. Yes, sir. It's hard to keep one hand, so I have to pick it up. Yes, sir. Look at this. Hey, yeah. worry, bro. You good? For sure, fam. That's it for y'all today, man. About to go to this 6 o'clock class. And yeah, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Yes, sir. Feel like that been running perfect right there.